Take a ride in the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.